Okay. This is the promised video of the valve cover spacers installed. Let me zoom right in here, try to get a good angle. You can see there's no clearance issue whatsoever. So all talk of clearance issues is really just blown out of proportion. You can see that the spacer is installed right there. Probably could have curved that side of it, but like I said, the Firebird gasket is kind of like flat cut instead of curved like the Fiero spacer. I did curve it on the other side. See how it's nice and curved? Right there. So the spacer fits fine. So we got a Firebird gasket, spacer, aluminum spacer, 1/88th of an inch thick, and then the Fiero gasket. And it all fits just fine. Drove it home. Doesn't look like my valve covers are leaking anymore. So that's that. And yes, I am running DIS. Alrighty.